everyone, Kimberly here from Peas on Moss. I'm excited to be here with Chef Kristina from Butchery 101. Welcome, Kristina.
Hi, thank you. Thank you for having me.
We have an exciting cooking class coming up that we wanted to tell you about. So without further ado, Chef Kristina, tell us, what are we doing?
Oh, awesome. Yeah, thank you. So actually, I do want to make clear that there isn't going to be a ton of cooking in it, but it is going to be very useful for your upcoming cooking needs vis-a-vis your looming Thanksgiving holiday that's coming up. I've been asked a couple times for some advice regarding like how to best handle your Thanksgiving dinner in terms of like what to do for our new pandemic life. And so what I'd really like to do is make sure that people can still get the turkeys that they were already planning on getting. Just because like if we think about what the farmer has gone through in order to get those turkeys to market, those turkeys already exist. And I think we should honor their hard work by continuing the supply chain. But that doesn't mean that you have to have like 25 pounds of turkey in your fridge for just you and like your 4 people that live in your house. It would be awesome if everyone learned how to break down a whole turkey. And that's part of the impetus of why Kimberly and I are hosting a whole chicken butchery class. Yeah, because anytime you learn how to break down any of the birds, you can apply those skills and knowledge to any of the other ones. So like if you learn how to break down a chicken, you can totally break down a turkey or duck or Cornish game hen, whatever you need. And we're just gonna practice on chicken because it's super available and it won't fill your fridge too much ahead of Thanksgiving.
Exactly. You can use that chicken to make stock for future soups and gravies, and obviously use that meat for great purposes as well. And I really liked your point, Kristina, about, the farmers have already invested this time into those turkey lives and to the butchery of them. So let's honor that and keep the supply chain going and the relationship between the farm and their consumer going, even though we won't have nearly as many people over for Thanksgiving. So I love this idea of, cut down the turkey to size, roast what you need for the holiday, and repurpose that turkey for another purpose as well. So where can we go get information about the class?
You can hit up my website, butchery101.com, or you can go directly to talk.com, where it's listed under Butchery 101 as a to-go item. You can just like reserve a spot in our class. Kimberly and I are having a class on the 11th and the 16th around 6 p.m. And so, yeah, if you're available, we'd love to have you there.
All right. Well, thank you so much for tuning into this special little blurb about the upcoming butchery class. And we are excited to see you on November 11th and the 16th.
Wonderful. Thanks so much, Kimberly. Appreciate it.
Thank you.